Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix withdrawal failed on your Bet365. Now if you are facing the issue of withdrawal failed on a Bet365, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are facing the issue of withdrawal failed on Bet365, then make sure that your device is connected with any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or data, then that may be also the reason that your withdrawal may be failed. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi and data, but if it is still not working, then simply turn on the airplane mode for once. So by turning it on, it helps to fix the network issue which is occurring on a network, and it may help you to withdraw the balance from your account. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you need to open settings on a device, and under settings you'll see various options. So you need to simply click on the option of general, and under general you'll see the option of iPhone storage. So click on it, and under iPhone storage you need to scroll down until you see the option of Bet365. So click on the option of Bet365 after you have found it, and there you'll see the option of offload app or delete app. So click on the option of offload app, which is highlighted on blue. So click on it and click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it will help you to fix the errors or issue which are occurring on the app. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to withdraw the fund on your device, and you'll be able to solve the problem of fixed withdrawal failed on your Bet365. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.